Good morning. So, there's this thing that's very interesting around what is currently going on now. We're about to get into elections, obviously, and a lot of things that are being done are seen as, if they're done by the ruling party, they're seen as, about campaigning. To the extent, I think, that even things that are good are seen as just a campaigning thing by the ruling party. Of course, I think this probably happens in all countries where they've got elections. But one could also read into some of the things as to say, look, if at all the elections go the other way, let it be that we would have put in a law that is necessary or whatever. With the current governing party, it could be that if they don't come back as the governing party, at least they would have passed some of the laws. Like, take for instance the NHI, National Health Insurance. It's a good law. Good in a sense that what it seeks to do is to make health care access equal in a way. Make health care accessible to those that would not. Quality health care, I think, more of quality than now. So as to how it's possible for it to be spinned in such a way that it is seen as a bad thing about taxpayers' money, this and most things. We're paying grants from taxpayers' money. We're paying pensions from taxes. We're doing a lot of things from taxes. Some areas probably the tax generated from those areas is not. It's not even close to what is spent on those areas, which comes from taxpayers' money. If we have this, as it is said to be going to deal with, making sure that we have some sort of equal access to health care, I don't see why we have people that are against it. Yeah, some people would use the whole thing that the ANC or somebody would take advantage of it, and there'll be corruption, there'll be this. But with just like with a lot of things, it will also remain or sort of be our responsibility to try and make sure that we hold them accountable. And holding people accountable does not necessarily say that it's every 5 years. There is a lot of things that as citizens we can do. So I'm struggling to really get the reasons why we have a problem with the majority of the black, poor, or not even black, poor people that cannot afford the kind of monies that some of us pay for medical aid are paying. And the very people that are complaining, some are people that, they don't even know who owns their medical aid schemes and what that money is used for and how that contributes to us as a country. So if you ask me, I think it's very good. It's necessary, and it is in line with what the Constitution requires. So I don't understand why anybody would have a problem with it. So I say kudos to the president of the ANC, kudos to them for actually signing this into law. Well, at the moment it has not been signed, but I think it's good. It's a good thing. It's a very, very good step in the right direction in terms of making sure that we deal with issues of poverty, unemployment, and inequality. So thank you very much to the president for doing this. At least we are now moving in a direction where we're all going to have equal access.